no, you don't give two girls belly. And all the guys can say, oh, flavor! Come on, do that. I say, go down. You don't give guy belly. You don't get belly. Anyway, we see the upcoming night show, and we deal with Kola Kuddus, fashionista, fashion designer extraordinary.
Fashion everything.
If extraordinary, why do you put that to extraordinary?
Extraordinary. No, Neru.
Are you with me?
Extraordinaire.
Extraordinaire.
No.
Anyway,
That's on the on here, don't confuse.
Go on, confuse. Go on, confuse. Now, after I come out from school, now it gets any learn where you learn about, you study anything fashion. I mean, you just not just that sabi where you just sabi, you just begin. You go any course, special course to take for study fashion. Something.
I try small. I try further with I know. So I can't go one school for a kajad. They call them Nobel Afrique.
Okay, Nobel Afrique.
Nobel Afrique. So I go Nobel Afrique. I do diploma in dressmaking.
Wow.
So after I leave Nobel Afrique, I gain experience in sewing and all of that. I can't go London College of Fashion. So when I go London College of Fashion, I go do fashion design and production.
Okay.
So that one now can expose me to the more experience way, more the technical way where they take do deep. So that one give me more experience, exposure. So I can't sabi the way they take do Then after I leave that place, I can't go Central St. Martin's, another school for London.
Yay.
Only you.
Only you.
That can wait. No
wonder they all the people they stand like this.
I there some waiting in the fine scenes when in Nitoko, all those places.
Continue.
So when I can't go St. Martin's, I can't go do personal styling as a short course.
Okay, personal styling. Okay, that's good. I should talk this personal styling now.
Yeah.
Which means you go styling artists and the rest of them.
Exactly.
What you go talk about the way some of our celebrities they dress?
You see,
to wear Neru na everyday dress or to dress come out
to events.
To events. You see, the challenge we say a lot of all these celebrities they need to get stylists because styling now
people
work.
Don't feel say they need to pay for person
styling
to show them
now work on his own. Styling now waiting people they go school 4 years go study. So now waiting they take job. The way people they go school, go study engineering, they go study doctor. Some people they go school, go study styling. And I what they go do, they go still get masters for styling.
Wow. Now, for these celebrities now, we know they use stylists. If we say for their whole brand to strong, they need stylists because if you divide them, okay, for example, artists where they sing, you get your own music part, you get your own public life part.
Yes.
If you say for him to be 100%, they must get stylists where go.
Exactly. You must get that stylist. Now you go give them better definition so that even if you know wear that clothes, another person wear the kind clothes, you go feel say, I know person where they dress like this. So you go still give them brand in his
But not
look.
be everybody when be stylist now. Some people use the stylist for name.
Like every other work, people sabi pass themselves. So this one we say, I be DJ for, but DJ pass DJ.
Not true,
you understand? So you get as if you say, okay, I want DJ 5 naira, you go get. If you want DJ 100,000,
you go get.
So now if you say
all now for inside the packaging.
Exactly.
Person like Pharrell Williams, he get particular style.
Exactly.
Way in the dress. And if you say if you dress, I know one artist where they dress like this. Anyway, now another question where I go. You want to ask question?
No, I dey think I can't say make I seen the talk say people and their style. I can't think they ask and say whether he don't style anybody for industry.
He don't style anybody exactly. He don't style anybody for industry.
I dey try small. I know they style directly, but most times I dey do clothes where the stylist they take style them.
Okay.
If you want style this easy bit like you see and when like himself like this. If you want your style you could look am now say waiting you for.
He like show muscle.
Exactly. So if I
want, don't know am now.
If I want style
study easy bit.
I go sit down with him. We go talk. He go tell me what he like. He go tell me the direction where they go. So I go know what I go package for him. We be say okay. Once he knock like this, they go know say okay, confirm.
This na person when
exactly.
This Nerunko.
Like me, a person like me,
No, like I talk, we go sit down.
But you don't see them now. If they say
no, but my I no go like give you, eh? Everything way I see your pictures. Now my kind of I like simple native. I don't like native where they too loud.
Yeah, but so what thing they make them stand out?
Simple, like exactly this one day now. It's quite simple.
But what thing make them stand out now?
Now this combination, the combination, you go see. It's okay. See the neck, not be any kind. Not
the neck be like t-shirt neck.
It be like t-shirt neck. Not be every. And see the side. See this button waiting for this. And not be. You go, if you see this guy for outside, now you go say this guy get money. He gets style.
Meanwhile, if he no get,
meanwhile, if he no get. Anyway, make we watch one video of Odo. We want to come back. We'll continue it with Kola credits. We'll come back.
My love!
Yes.
Plumber guy is calling you.
Don't pick it. The pipe in the kitchen got spoiled. Okay, that's. I will call him back, but don't pick my call, okay?
Yeah. Alright, no problem. Alright. My love!
Yes.
Mechanic is calling you.
Oh, my car broke down last night.
Eh.
Calling, yes, want to fix it for me.
Should I pick it?
No.
I should not pick it.
No. I'm coming out, okay?
These people are calling, huh? Hello? Organizer. No. She dey back. Call her back later. Are you not organizer? You are not organizer. Who are you then? Jide. Senator Jide. Okay, sorry, na organizer. She takes store your number here. Na organizer. Your fiancé. How? Don't call this line again. You are stupid. You are stupid. Look at this. I will swear for you. You are a organizer. You are dragging my own wife with me. Somebody I want to marry. Organizer. You are claiming that you are senator. Okay, I will swear for you if you call this. If I get out of my phone, idiot. Hey. Do we look like anything like a thing? Plumber call. See my office. Mechanic. See mechanic. Now, organizer. They tell me say, Senator Jide. Senator Jide for Canada. Wait. Hey! Jesus!
What is it?
Jesus!
What is it, baby?
No worry. Nothing. Me. Hey! Am I not by now? Jesus!
Baby!
Vanessa!
Yes?
Who is a bona virus calling?
say, if we go ask people, he say, Nedu, you call me your toaster. He say, okay, give me your telephone. May I just make call. Say, no, my credit finished. Make I just, then you quickly call your number. Because he marker.
You get what happened to my guy, yo. You get what happened to my guy, yo. The person where he meets na gay guy. So now they call exchange number. So the person come and they say, yo, now wow, you don't get my number. And then he goes, I get what? Okay. Flash, I get you go to show you. So I get the guy calls, give me your phone, make I flash you so that you go see. You can't give him my phone. He can't collect your phone. Then the guy can't call your phone. Now we don't save the number. You don't know. Now as the guy they call the phone. Now it's called show gay guy. Then the guy come look at. So you stole my name as gay guy. He said sorry. I said no, actually now guy. I be one guy na typographical error. Anyway, now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We do Kola Kuddus and we go only 3 more minutes before we come up for inside studio. Now Kola, where you see yourself in the next five years? The next 5 years, where you see yourself, like Kola Kuddus as a brand, fashionista extraordinary, 5 years. Where you see yourself in the next 5 years? I know. We know because I go to wear cloth every day for TV from now. From next week now, or anytime soon.
From where to where?
Relax.
No, the only you.
Me and Easy Beat. Don't worry.
No, because of that, I didn't go be speaking.
Bespoke. No, if bespoke. Bespoke. Now, what they don't do when they don't spoke.
No, then English. What did they call them? Bespoke.
Bespoke. Because they don't song. When they bring the material, that's not bespeak.
Then bespeaking.
It's called bespeaking. Now, when they swam.
Okay.
When they don't swam, finish. Now,
I don't bespoke. No.
Bespoke.
Then I bespoke also.
Bespoke. Then when you don't wear them, now you be bespoke.
Oh, now you be bespoke.
No, now.
What's about me bespoke now?
Continue.
Okay. Where you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I work towards make the brand become an household name. You know,
make everybody know Kola Kuddus.
Make the brand. If you go every house, make you feel see a piece of Kola Kuddus in every man's wardrobe.
You know go do wrong way when it is all those wrong way something where they go say Kola Kuddus is factory. You go do
why you dey ask them for wrong way because you won't go there.
No, I don't wrong way. I like all those guys when they wear clothes for wrong.
Would they do all those wrong way? We don't do.
No, in fact,
we don't do a couple of fashion shows for Nigeria. I don't do basically all the biggest fashion shows for Nigeria, from Arise Fashion Show.
I don't know his name. Now did I tell you that you don't believe me?
Nigerian TV. I've done.
So in other words, you don't blow as you did. So
I did in December. The last one I did, where I do last now, December. That was Music Mix Runway.
Music Mix Runway.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, and before I come more for instance, you Kola, give us all your, in case person want to relate, if person want to meet you, want to get to you now.
Want relate to you, Instagram, Twitter.
All of them. What will be your handle?
Okay, my handle for Instagram now at Kola Kuddus.
At Kola Kuddus.
At Kola Kuddus.
That's at KOLA.
KUDDUS.
US.
Yes.
KOLAKUDDUS.
In other words, KUDDUS.
See, now you do on Top TV now. Then go say
KUDDUS.
Yes. I for Twitter, uncle.
It's the same thing at Kola Kuddus. Then you can go to our website. Then you go see a lot of www.kolakuddus.com. And I also retail on Konga.
Okay.
We did on Top Jumia.
Okay.
Then we have a partnership with Twice as Nice.
Oh, Twice as Nice.
So if you go Twice as Nice shop now, you go see our clothes for them.
How much your clothes, baby?
You obviously know they too expensive.
No. Our clothes they very affordable.
Everybody talk.
They tell you very affordable. You never relative.
If a person asks me, say, Katim, how much is your talent? I said,
it's very affordable. It's not too expensive.
Come make it door.
Anyway, double toilet all of now. We join us for tonight's show for today. We're gonna know if I say we'll not take phone calls, tweet messages.
Because we
forget time to talk more with Kola this evening. Double toilet to you, Kola. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, madam.
Anyway,
Thank you,
till Monday, I beg us to take talk from beginning of the show. Make sure so now come out tomorrow. Go vote. Vote.
We not say when I come out, go crew for.
We not say when
I
come
out, go propose to person. If person say I want to marry you.
Now some that guy go propose for election ground.
No agree.
The girl can't agree. Even maybe that girl I will not agree.
Wait,
I don't
you go marry him.
But why you go propose to me then?
Why you dey vex?
Now the swag.
Why are you taking the pass now?
I don't know.
Swag.
If I wait until
Are
after the
you
election.
with me?
I'm not with you.
Are you with me?
We dey go.
Oh, that's good night. Are you with me? Till Monday.